Hello, today I will guide you on how to remove file type associations in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1, open Registry Editor as administrator. Open the search menu and type regedit. Right-click on the Registry Editor result and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. Step 2, create a backup of the registry. Before proceeding, it is recommended to create a backup in case anything goes wrong. To create a backup, select File, then Export. Name the backup file. If you need to restore the backup later, select File, then Import, and navigate to the saved file. Step 3, delete file type associations in registry. In Registry Editor, double-click on the HKE_classes_root folder. Click on any folder and type back to find the back folder. Right-click on the back folder and select Delete. Confirm deletion by selecting Yes. This will remove the file type associations you might have customized previously. Once done, close Registry Editor. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And there you go, a pretty straightforward process. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.